Alright, so guys, as you can already tell by the title of this video, today we are going to start on part 1 of the refurbish on the new wheels that I have just bought that you guys haven't currently seen yet. So what I'm going to do today is we're just literally going to sand the lips down on the wheel, because as I'll show you in a minute, you'll see that they're curb rashed and a little bit dented up. And I'm going to show you guys a process on how to get rid of curb rash yourself and how to get rid of things like damage to your wheels basically, other than buckles, because you ain't going to get rid of that. But yeah, I'll quickly show you the wheels that we've got. These are wheels that I actually swapped for another set of wheels that you guys didn't actually even see, because I wasn't going to keep the other wheels for long. I was waiting to get something that I'm going to keep on the car. So these will be what I'm keeping on the car. I just need to find some centre caps. The other two wheels are actually currently outside, and we have already gone through the process of sanding down the lips, but these two are the two worst, so I thought I'd do the video on these two. So as you can see, nothing else around the wheel is really damaged, it's just the lip that sticks out. I don't know if it's going to focus on the lip, but yeah, as you can see here, it's not gold anymore. It's all curb rashed all around it, dents like this all the way around, and it's like that on both wheels. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump straight into the process of showing you how to do this. I'm probably not going to talk much over it. I'm just going to video it, and then what I'll do is I'll do a voiceover probably, because it's quite windy out the front where the car is, because the car has to be on for this process. So what we'll do is we'll jump into that right about now. Now look from over there how wide these ones are, because these are the wider ones that sit on the back. The other wheels were still wider. Right, so guys, that is all 4 wheels done. They've come out pretty decent. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but you can still see little nicks in the wheels, which we're going to have to filler, which what that'll do, that'll make there be 3 parts of the video. Well, I might do the filler and the painting in one video, but that's literally it. That's all we've got to do. We've just got to fill in these little nicks that are left, that I don't know if you guys can see here, little tiny little nicks that we can't get out. The two first ones we did, which was this one and this one, they come out near enough perfect, they're smooth, so we've only got to do the 2 back ones, which were the 2 wider ones, this one and that one at the back there. Yeah, like a little nick like that you can see, which obviously you can't sand out. So yeah, this is going to be the end of part 1 to this sanding. Next video will be part 2, hopefully fillering and painting. Fingers crossed. So yeah, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and stick around for part 2.